Welcome to the Can-Am Crew YouTube channel. In this epic adventure, we're hitting the road for 40 days and traveling for over 7,000 miles to ride some of the most amazing trail systems the U.S. has to offer. From Alabama to Utah to South Dakota and many, many more, we're going to be in over 20 states to ride some of the most scenic, wild trails that we can find. It's not all going to be about riding though. We'll stop along the way at places like the Cadillac Ranch, Grand Canyon, Hoover Dam, the Devil's Tower, and Mount Rushmore. This is going to be the adventure of a lifetime, and we're extremely excited to share it with you on our YouTube videos. So do us a favor, hit that subscribe button, turn on the notification bell, and we'll see you out on the trail. New video. Hope everyone's enjoying our trip so far and the videos. It's just, I want to climb that in the side by side. Sitting here chilling, editing a video. Put this up. We are headed to Williams, Arizona, which is like 30-40 minutes south of the Grand Canyon, the south rim of the Grand Canyon. That's where we're headed. We're going to be staying in an Airbnb there. We're going to go check out the Grand Canyon. We're going to take you along with us. And there's another Arizona sign. And what we're going to try to do is me, Cooper, Scott, and Gianna are going to try to rent or take an airplane or a helicopter ride. We're going to try to book a helicopter ride. We're going to try to take you guys up with us. And it's going to be a view of the Grand Canyon. Sounds amazing. Never been in a helicopter. I've been in a plane. I've been in a little commuter plane, a regular plane, big plane, whatever, but never a helicopter, so that'll be a first. Coop, you ready?
Yeah.
Okay.
He said that's what he was most excited for, so we'll see.
Yeah, so hopefully when we get there, they have some openings. We'll try to book it as soon as we get here. And I'm hoping I can take you guys on a helicopter ride, which would be like epic. There's views everywhere.
Yeah. Super exciting.
I know you've heard this probably the last 10 videos. First time in Arizona. First time seeing this. We're really excited.
I'm ready to see giant cactus. That's what I was.
Yeah, we've never seen a giant cactus. Sherry got some cactus crossed off the list in Oklahoma and New Mexico. She was every time I didn't see her in the mirrors, she would stop taking a picture of a cactus. But I'm gonna finish editing this video, hoping to have another one uploaded soon. Really hope you guys are enjoying it. We're having the time of our life out here. So we're gonna go another 2.5 hours. We're gonna get checked into the Airbnb, and then we'll see you at the Grand Canyon.
Keep left onto South Entrance Road.
We are now entering the Grand Canyon. I think it's like 35. Okay, she's done. I think it's like $35 a vehicle load.
Yes.
It says there's Grand Canyon National Park entrance pass. Credit, debit cards.
Cash?
Doesn't say anything about cash. But we can see when we get up here. In T-minus 4 hours, me, Cooper, Scott, and Gianna will be on a helicopter flying over the Grand Canyon. A little nervous. Less than 4 hours for you guys. 4 hours for us. Pretty excited. We're gonna get through here. Gonna pay our fee. It says like 1 to 7 days, something like that, or 1 to 3. I can't really see it. 1 year pass.
Last 7 days.
7? Maybe it says 1 to 7 days. It's hard to see from here. We'll get through this and then we'll go see what we can find out. Got this map after we paid for our pass. We just come through here. We're gonna come up here. We're gonna start working our way across. Go to the Maricopa Point, Bright Angel Trailhead, Mather Point, Powell Point, Hopi Point, Mojave Point, Monument, Creek Vista. We're gonna start going to all these, check them all out. Pipe Creek, South Khabib. I have no idea.
Kababe.
That's what we're doing. We're gonna go up here, figure some things out because we have no idea what we're doing yet. Read some of this stuff. We have more like 3 miles, 2 or 3 miles till we get there. Sherry. Oh wow! I just got a little glimpse of it. Oh. This is gonna be wild. This is our first overlook. Mather Point overlook. First one ever. Oh my. Oh wow.
Oh my god.
What? It's hard to believe that that's on this earth.
I can't even see the bottom.
Wow. That's incredible.
Don't go over this fence.
Yes, please. Oh my goodness. Oh, there's another little overlook over there. Doesn't even look real.
Where do you want to go? This isn't the part. That's the point right there.
Oh, okay. All right, we'll go over there next. Breathtaking. Stephen Mather. He laid the foundation of the National Park Service.
In 1919, this became a national park.
Dang, dude. It's just crazy.
Can I stand up there and you take my picture?
Sure.
Are you gonna fall off? Wait, I want mine with you. Wait, Mom, stay there.
Wow. It's a long ways down, a long ways over.
Yeah, I wanna know what that is.
Ah non, c'est l'autre après.
Doesn't even look real.
No, it's like hard to find words for it, really.
Man, those clicky bugs are. That rock right there is coming out like it's pointy.
Yeah. You see that trail down through there?
Yeah.
That's what they call a gravoid tremor. You know? Sherry, come here. Let's look at this. Let's look at this gravoid tremor trail down through there. You see that?
Oh, yeah.
I don't know how many of you folks know the gravoid or tremors, but if you don't, definitely go back and watch those movies. They're awesome. But I don't know if you can see it. There's that trail that goes out through here.
Is that where they ride the donkey?
I don't know. I don't know how you're getting a donkey down there.
I couldn't see it.
Took it out of their hand. Oh my god. Oh my god.
He's still chewing, dude.
Yeah, let him get it down.
Yeah, he's gonna need a drink after all these.
Pipe Creek Vista.
I'm gonna sit. Sit on that.
Wow.
Yeah, you can sit down. Then we'll look. Watch your butt.
This is just a few miles up the road from where we were. We were out that way. I think from over there, we were looking at this kind of sideways, and now we're looking at it head on. Wow.
So cool.
That's a big boy. That's a big boy. Okay, we are at the Grand View Point. It's about 20 minutes from where we just were. We'll come down this way, right into here. We're gonna check this out. Yeah, how about that? Did you see both of them?
I didn't see the second one until I started to pull away.
Yeah, how cool was that? We were just talking about that when we saw the cow elk, and we were like, man, how cool would it be to see the bull?
Well, the bull that we did see, that front one, that was big.
Yeah.
It had a nice rack on
We
it.
were trying to figure out why we were stopped. I knew it had to be a sight.
That's what I said. I was like, they have to be looking at something, but they were pulled to the right, so I kept looking to the right, and then all of a sudden I seen it.
We broke every rule you're not supposed to by stopping on the road to look at it.
Camera out the window, so I looked at where you were pointing.
You guys would look.
Who's not going to stop and
This was
Yeah,
like
take
the
a
right.
picture of the bull elk?
big one.
I'll take you down here, check this out. This, oh man, you can see like,
So we figured we'd go to the big.
I think you can probably see more here than could at any of the other ones.
Yeah, I think so.
We had, I was
So
like,
this is called what? Grand Point?
Grand View Point.
Grand
Yeah.
Point, yeah.
Yes, we were, what, 20 minutes that way?
Yeah.
Wow. My goodness.
That's a bee. That's like
What do you think of that, Emma? Oh, you can see the river over there.
Look at the shadows out there.
You can see more of the river
Oh, really?
over there.
I can't wait till we're in the helicopter.
Oh, I just can't even imagine.
I think we're above that bird.
I don't think that's a crow.
I think that's a raven.
I don't think it's a raven either.
No? Hawk? Falcon?
That's definitely a bird of prey.
Yeah. I assumed raven just because the name of that parking lot down there was Raven, so I figured I had a lot of them. Okay.
That's probably a 3-foot wingspan, I bet.
Hey, you know what looks like that you could do?
This finagle down in there.
Yep.
Oh yeah. It's not going to be easy to get back.
Does
up.
Mother know?
Mother said no.
Mother doesn't know.
I don't know if you'd be able to get back up this, G.
Yes.
if I'm going down, you're going to have to back up.
I mean, I will if you want. It's definitely rock climbing. Are you coming down?
I don't know, do you think it's okay?
We'll get you back up.
You're gonna need help. You ain't gonna be able to do it on your own. I think you can get down on your own.
Someone's texting me. Incredible. Oh, I'm busted. Mother knows.
Down there.
Oh man.
Do you need help, G?
All right. Absolutely breathtaking. I just can't believe it. Yeah, never really would have thought that we would have been at the Grand Canyon. So I just got to take a minute and say thank you, because you guys are, you know, some of the main reasons that we're here. This is a little bit sketchy, Scott.
Oh my.
Yeah. That's down there.
Dude,
That's
400 or 500 foot.
yeah.
Easy.
Yeah, it is. Yeah, it's taking a little bit to come out onto these rocks.
or
Nah, I'm good with
we're
just.
good right here?
Yep.
Easy, easy. If you're
That will. That makes your knees weak.
Yeah.
All I can say is breathtaking.
Yeah, absolutely.
Yeah.
Look at that cool peak over there. It's like a different.
Oh yeah.
It's different than anything else around. We chose Maverick Terminal. Is it Maverick Helicopter Tours?
Destination is on your right.
Because Can-Am Maverick, you know, why not? It's like, it's fitting. Look right there. Maverick Helicopters. So, I'm just gonna put this out there. If you're seeing this video, we're good. So that's a good thing.
Or mom edited.
Are you ready?
I'm really ready.
Are you ready?
I am ready, buddy.
I just pulled in. I was like, hey, Maverick Helicopters, you know, because Can-Am. And I also told everyone if they're seeing this video, we're good.
Or somebody else edited it.
No one else here knows how to edit yet.
No. Emma does.
Let's just take a peek at this helicopter real quick before we go in. Well, none of them say out of order, so that's good.
Yeah, we're gonna take the out of order ones. Helicopter landing area.
This is crazy.
Highway.
Alright, everybody grab those seat belts there and we'll see if we can get a couple.
And then your headsets are going to be behind you guys if you want.
Should be the other belt. Oh, you got it right there. Pull this in a little bit. Should be a big black strap attached to your seat
up?
belt. Pull on that and it'll tighten it up.
here. Yep. All right, so as soon as the pilot opened the door, my battery died. You know how it goes, GoPro. But we came over to Yippee Steakhouse.
That was awesome. That was so awesome.
Scott, reaction?
Well, it's real simple. You will never ever see those views
No,
unless you take that helicopter ride.
that's right.
We got to do it.
That's a true statement. that's all there is to it. 45-minute tour, $350 per person. Seems steep. I mean, it
Seems steep.
$1,400 for 4 of us, but I'm telling you what, if you can scrounge it up, save up, do whatever you need to do, I'd do it again in a heartbeat.
Yeah,
I
you'll
mean,
never see those views ever again in
No.
your life.
Yeah, that was
No.
awesome.
The pilot did great. It was amazing. He like told us all about it, explained everything. I think we hit 9,000 feet one time. Saw some snow. Saw bison.
We were going 130 miles an hour.
We were going 130 miles per hour. Yeah. It was just awesome. So, Yippee Steakhouse. Yippee Steakhouse, Grand Canyon. You're in the wrong one, you weirdo. All right, let's eat. Okay, so after the amazing helicopter ride and amazing food, we're coming to Arizona.
Yeah. Not Arizona.
It's a zoo. 7 minutes from where we're staying? Here in Williams, Arizona. Look at that. Open 8 a.m. to 6 p.m. We got a few hours.
The last car can enter it.
Okay. Well, this is really cool. Scott, Crystal, and G decided to stay back at the Airbnb. So we're coming out here, and we're going to see what this place is all about. I think it's a drive-through and a walk-through type zoo. I'm excited. I'm excited to see some animals. Okay, we're going to pay, and we'll be back.
In the open one, I guess not.
I don't know. So
So
they said when we go through here, that's a freaking wolf. They said we got. Oh no, that's a goat. Don't pay any attention to me. It's the high altitude. So she said whenever we get to the wolves and something else, we're supposed to put our windows up. Wolves and bears, we're supposed to put our windows up. So we'll see what kind of shots we can get. Rocky Mountain goats, aggressive during rut. Rocky Mountain wolves. All I saw was the back end of it.
Yeah, that's a really big wolf. I like it. I've never seen a goat like that.
There's another one right there. Off over here to my right, as you can see as we're driving by, we have some donkeys.
Hi, Mr. Donkey. Up.
Okay, we are entering the Tundra Wolves. Windows up, stay in vehicle, no exception.
Special. That's awesome.
I saw a worker over there, so I don't want to get in trouble. I had to put the window up.
That's awesome.
That is really cool. See some wolves. Bison. White.
Okay.
White bison.
I think you can put your windows
I think we,
back down.
yeah, let's put our windows back down.
White. It'll probably be easier to see if they're white.
Yeah, that's so cool. There's a couple out here.
Oh, that one's walking
This
down
dude
there.
here.
Look at him. Oh, they have cute ears. Aww, it's itching.
We are out of the vehicle, went through the drive-through area,
That was
and now
cool.
we're headed to the walk-through area. So cool. No pets or service animals. Okay. Emma, you're gonna have to wait.
Hey. I'm not an animal. There's a squirrel in there. I don't think he's
Oh
supposed to be
man, that thing is cute.
I don't think the squirrel over there is supposed to be in there.
Oh, you can hear the electric. That must be an electric fence. You can hear it clicking.
Buddy.
Don't get zapped, dude.
Yeah, the quills will fly everywhere.
2 grizzly bears.
I think otters are very mean.
Otters, they're pretty cool. They look like big ferrets.
Yeah, they do. They're water ferrets.
They say they're out of here.
Look at the waterfall.
Jaguar.
That's pretty cool. I think you can go over there too. Yeah, and on the other side. Man, it's just chilling.
Trying to keep the glare off the glass so you can see it.
Look at the waterfall.
Yeah. There's some more coming. Oh, that one up there has like half a rack missing.
He must have broke it off or something. Hello.
Isn't it cool that we've seen these in the wild?
Hello,
Yeah.
ma'am. Hi. You're here, Cooper. He just said, "What up, girl?"
Oh, you're cool.
He must got something in his mouth.
What's up, homie? Oh, okay.
Excuse you. Bless you.
Bless you.
Pretty sure. Oh,
Bless you.
Oh, that's in the wind.
yeah, I saw that. That was like a 6-foot gust.
People are gonna get some of that downwind.
Allergies. He's got
Oh,
allergies.
it's itching his nose.
You got. Oh, excuse you again.
Alright.
Oh, he's itching it. Oh, he's itching it.
He must got something in his nose, maybe.
Allergies. He's got allergies.
Look at his winter fur coming off.
Oh, he's chatting. He's chatting.
He's out.
It's like, I'm out of these.
He's out of here.
Anytime you pick his nose.
We're headed back to the Airbnb. We're gonna call this video quits here. Tomorrow we start Sand Hollow. We're headed to Sand Hollow tomorrow. So excited. I can't wait.
Another time zone.
Yeah, in a different time zone. So we went from East Coast to Central to Mountain, but like Arizona doesn't observe daylight savings, so it's 3-hour difference here. So we went from 1, 2 to 3, and then when we go to Utah after we leave Arizona, it'll be back to 2. So same time zone, but they don't observe daylight savings, so it's 3 hours instead of 2. It's so confusing. Our sleep schedule is so messed up.
And then when we go to Las Vegas for the day, it'll be 3 hours again.
Yeah,
When we
so
go
it's
home, we're not gonna be able to sleep.
it's gonna be crazy. So
It'll be like 1 in the morning.
we're headed to Sand Hollow tomorrow. We'll be there for a few days, and then we're headed to Moab, and then Colorado, and South Dakota. We're still got, this is the halfway point. Still got a ton more left. So definitely come back in a few days. Hit that subscribe button. Follow along on our journey across the country, and we're here. So we'll see you in the next video.
Bye-bye.